got mail.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Today, I'll be showing you guys how to get those ringtones for your LG G3. So to get the You've Got Mail ringtone, you need to go to this site. I will give you a link on the description below. Download the second ringtone over here. Press download and then save it to your desktop. Okay, so for the Uh Oh Ringtone, this is the site to download the ringtone. I will put a link on the description below as well. So from there, you press ringtone to download. Press download and save it to your desktop. So next, what you want to do is transfer the ringtone from your computer to your phone. So what you need is the micro SD card. Open the file for the micro SD card. And then all you have to do is just drag the file to the SD card like so. Take your micro SD card from the computer. Alright, so once you got the micro SD card inserted in the phone, you want to go to Setting, go to Sound, and click on Notification Sound. Okay, and then from there you want to press Add, or that plus sign on the top right corner, and then you look for the ringtones you want to upload. So you just have to click and then it will automatically upload to the notification sound. So there you go, guys.
You've got mail.
So that's how you transfer the ringtones from your computer to your phone.